I'm currently wearing this Throw On and Go wig from Luvmehair. We're currently in front of like some natural light so y'all could see this color. But yeah, let me show y'all this wig. This wig is so cute. It's from my favorite Luvmehair wig. It's one of their Throw On and Go units. And when I tell you guys, y'all are gonna see me just pull it out the package and put it on. So let's get into it. I know Luvmehair wigs are my favorite. I'm currently on my 4K camera filming in 4K. So the crazy part about this wig is it already comes pre-cut. Everything is ready to go for you. We're gonna just put her on straight out the pack. They did give me a bald cap, a wig comb, a hair clip, and an edges brush. Let's go ahead and put this cap on her. Okay, so this is what the wig is giving. Inside cap construction, nice, breathable mesh. It's supposed to be wearable, like straight out the pack. Those are the vibes we're going for. Ooh. Okay, let's make sure she's on. Ear to ear. See if we can zoom in. When it comes to the hairline, I could definitely like swoosh my edges so they're in there. But the color is super pretty. I am not even mad at it. But what I do need to do is flat iron her. Okay, so I lightly went over this side with the flat iron just so you guys can tell the difference. And I like the texture of the hair. It's nice, and the custom color. So let me do the side so y'all can see the texture wise. The moment you flat iron it, what I like the most is that I can either choose to kind of have it like fall in my face. If I wanted it more in my face, I would put some mousse and kind of swoosh her, or I can comb her backwards. Isn't she different? This is her straight out the pack with like minimal product in. I like the color. I like the texture. It literally feels like how my hair feels like when it's pressed. Wait. Y'all, Luvmehair is always exceeding my expectations. Yeah, I think that this wig is super cute. I like how it already comes ready to go. Literally, I just put it on my head, flat ironed it a bit, and then boom. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna link the specs below. But yeah, this is me filming in 4K. She kind of cute. And like minimal work, because I could have done more work, but who wants to do more work? And she's still cute. Just her in the color. Oh yeah, she gives a really nice vibe.